Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? So today I'm going to be trying out snacks. Just trying out snacks that I've not tried out before, and some of them I've actually tried them before. But snacks have just been sitting down in my house. And there's honey BBQ. Then I got chocolates, different kind of chocolate, and this cotton bubble gum. I've actually tried this before. But yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be trying the French cheese first. So yeah, I'm going to be trying these first. So let's see how it tastes. Hopefully it's good. The thing is so small. Like, you guys, can you see how? Oh my god. This is whack. Thank you. Next. This is sea salt. Oh my god, the French cheese is, I don't know, some people actually like it, but me, I don't. So the sea salt. Okay. Hold on. I struggled for a while to open this. This is sea salt. Let's try it. There's actually no salt, but it's actually nice. Okay, I could eat that. Then let's try the 3 pepper. So all of them are actually like very small in it. Okay, this tastes like jalapenos. I can eat this. I think it's just the French chili that is just whack on its own. Then this is honey and BBQ. Woo! God knows. Ouch. Okay. I like these. I think this is what I'm going to be buying now from now on. This honey and BBQ is actually very nice. It's sweet and it's like, I don't know, and tastes like barbecue. Very weird. They got that. So we are done with this chips. Up to, should I? No, I'm going to eat this one last. Now let's try the Skittles. I bought different flavors of Skittles too. I got wild berry, then crazy stars, fruits. I don't know how chocolates taste like fruits, but okay, they did it. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah. So I'm going to try fruits first. The fruits first. I have to open it now. Oops. White. That tastes like berries. Yeah, it actually tastes like different fruit. That tastes like orange. Weird. Maybe the green tastes like watermelon. Oh well. I think it's just chocolate. Yeah, it tastes like watermelon. Then the crazy sauce. Very sure it's good to be sour. Maybe lime and lemon flavors. Sir. Delicious. God. These are nice. I wonder why I've not actually tasted them before. Oops. Oh well. Wild berry flavor. Tastes like berries. I don't know why they did wild berry when they did fruits already. I don't know, it tastes the same to me. To actually open everything down because they're stressing me the fuck out. So I've never tried Mars before, so I'm going to try it now. It's always the first time for everything. Hopefully it's good. And I'm not allergic to any of the ingredients there. It tastes good. It's okay. Almost tastes like Twix though. Then I'm trying Bien. It's by Simsek. I've never like tasted it before. Someone's hand is creeping. Creeping. Ew. Nah. This is not my thing. It has wafers in it or something. It has wafers in it. Tastes weird. Like a cheap chocolate that it is. So Roxy. I've never tried Roxy too before. Actually, Roxy is by Simset too. No wonder it doesn't taste. To me, I don't really like it. And so up to Twix. Like I know how Twix tastes because actually this is one of my favorite chocolate bars. I love dairy milk too, but I don't know. People are saying it's not good and everything. But yeah. So good. So M&M's. I've tasted this before. They're fantabulous. Maltesers. I think this is the first time I'm tasting Maltesers. Or not, I'm not sure. But it's been long if I've tasted before. Please. This is Nigeria. Let me even get this. This is Nigeria. There's always going to be a background sound. There's a PSP outside honking. They're sharing my video. I don't like that. So Maltesers are actually very nice. It's kind of sticky though. You can chew it and chew it. So this is the last but not the least snack I have. It's a Chupa Chups cotton bubble gum. It's like cotton candy, but when you chew it, it's like cotton candy, as you can see. Then you chew it. When you chew it, it becomes gum. Fascinating, I know. And it's actually very sweet too. I don't know if I'm a fan. I'm not a fan, I'm not actually a fan. But I could eat it though. It turns to chewing gum. Here, turning to gum already. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yes. So that's the end of my video. But I'm going to go and drink water. That's the end of my video. Oh, and this, I don't know if it's showing in there. Whatever. It's my chapstick. What I use. It's actually very nice. I prefer it to lip gloss. Lip gloss is always sticky and it's like dries up fast. But this lasts very long and it's not sticky. It smells like cherry. Actually, it's a cherry moisturizing lip balm though. So yeah, and I love cherries, so I got it. All right, thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure you like, you can comment down below, and subscribe. Please, you guys subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.